Tarsiers are among the most unique primates. They're the only fully carnivorous primates. They're nocturnal, they're solitary, they're arboreal, and they're typically under 6 inches long, about 16 centimeters. Tarsiers are traditionally classified as prosimians, but these days that classification can be controversial. Prosimians are ancestral primates. The word prosimian literally means before apes and monkeys. However, every other prosimian species, like lorises, galagos, and guantipos and lemurs, very significantly and unlike simian primates, have moist noses. Like simian primates, which are the monkeys and apes, their noses are dry. Classifying tarsiers in the dry-nosed suborder Haplorhini with monkeys and apes makes them more closely related to simians than to lemurs. Tarsiers are considered to be an intermediate primate form between lemurs and monkeys. They occupy their own intraorder. Also, like simian primates, Tarsier's upper lip is not attached to the nose or gums, allowing for greater flexibility in facial expressions than in other prosimians. Tarsier's eyes can be as large as or even larger than their brain. They're so large, their eyes can't move in their sockets. Mother Nature has a remedy for this. Tarsiers can swivel their heads 180 degrees, as owls do, to scan their environment. Of course, the enormity of their eyes also serves a more practical purpose: enhance night vision. Unlike many other nocturnal animals, Tarsiers' eyes lack a light-reflecting layer. Instead, as in human primates, their eyes are equipped with closely packed cones or photoreceptor cells, an adaptation that gives them sharp central vision. Their large membranous ears are almost constantly in motion. Each ear can move independently. Sounds are captured and amplified in the ear's ridges, providing accurate locations of objects. Their hearing is so sensitive they can find prey by hearing alone, and often close their eyes while catching food, perhaps to protect their large eyes from damage. Research on sounds of tarsiers suggests they can make and hear ultrasonic calls outside of the range of human hearing. This would be aligned with the sounds of their insects, spiders, lizards, birds, bats, and other small vertebrates on which they prey. Tarsiers travel via impressive leaps, some up to 40 times their body length. Even when on the ground, tarsiers hop rather than walk. They're often found gripping onto vertical branches and shoots, and this position exaggerates their alien-like hands and feet. They have very long fingers and toes that end with swollen adhesive pads that help them to grip onto branches. Prosimians have flattened finger and toenails like we do, except for specialized grooming claws on their feet. All other prosimians have one grooming claw per foot. Tarsiers have two, on the second and third toes of each foot. The species tarsier refers to their elongated tarsus, a cluster of articulating bones in the foot. Rather than forage like most insectivores, tarsiers patiently wait on a branch for an unsuspecting bug to appear, then jump toward it. Their large rear feet assist them in this feat. There have been reports of tarsiers catching prey in flight by leaping from tree to tree. Tarsiers have strong jaws and teeth and a wide mouth to enable them to feed upon large prey, larger than one might expect from such a small primate. Tarsiers are known to eat almost every part of their prey, including bones and feet. With their sharp, high-cusp teeth that are adapted for consuming the entirety of insects, frogs, lizards, and small birds, they're not just carnivores but faunivores, who feed exclusively on other animals and leave no scraps behind. Once more globally widespread, today tarsier populations are primarily restricted to Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Unusual, unique, like no other primates, and perfectly adapted for their Southeast Asian habitats. However, because of habitat loss in their geographic ranges, most tarsier species are either endangered or critically endangered.